Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can merge multiple selected cells into one larger cell or split a single selected cell into multiple smaller cells. This is often performed on layout tables in a document to create different cells of various sizes into which you can place your desired document content. To merge multiple selected cells into a single cell, first select the cells to merge into a single cell. Note that the selected cells must create a rectangular shape. You cannot create a single cell that has an irregular shape. Next, click the Merge Cells button that appears in the Merge button group on the table's Layout contextual tab in the ribbon to merge the selected cells into a single cell. To split a single selected cell into multiple smaller cells, first click into the cell to split. Next, click the Split Cells button in the Merge button group on the table's Layout contextual tab in the ribbon to open the Split Cells dialog box. In this dialog box, enter the number of columns and rows to create from the selected cell into the text boxes provided. If you selected multiple cells before choosing the Split Cells command, you will have the option of merging the selected cells before splitting them. To do this, check the Merge Cells Before Split checkbox. Once you have finished entering the information into this dialog box, click the OK button to split the cell.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.